Are there locations in the universe or even in our galaxy where sentient beings could experience us in their present, but it could be our past or our future? So ask the experts, and they'll say it's theoretically possible that sentient beings in other parts of the universe could see us in our past or future. Let's take an example of seeing in our past. Light travels at a finite speed so that the light from our sun and planets takes time to reach other stars. This means that if there are sentient beings on planets orbiting other stars, they could see us in our past. For example, if there's a planet orbiting a star that is, say, 10,000 light years away, the inhabitants of that planet would be seeing us as we were 10,000 years ago. And they would be seeing us in real time if they could see us. If we were to send a powerful enough signal into space, it could also be seen by sentient beings in other parts of the universe in their future. For example, if we were to build a giant laser and point it at a distant star, the inhabitant of that star could see the laser beam in their future, even if it takes thousands or millions of years for the light to reach them. There are many specific examples of locations in the universe where sentient beings could theoretically see us in our past or future. Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri is about 4.2 light years away. If there are sentient beings on planets orbiting Proxima Centauri, they could see us as we were 4.2 years ago. Alpha Centauri, another nearby star system, Alpha Centauri is about 4.3 light years away. If there are sentient beings on planets orbiting Alpha Centauri, they could also see us as if we were 4.3 years ago. Kepler 186f. This exoplanet is located about 500 light years away and is thought to be in a habitable zone of its star. If there are sentient beings on Kepler 186f, they could see us as we were 500 years ago. And then TRAPPIST 1e. This exoplanet is located 40 light years away and is also thought to be in the habitable zone of its star. If there are sentient beings in TRAPPIST 1e, they could see us as we were 40 years ago. So these are theoretical possibilities which on all likelihood are actually true. The bigger point is that time itself is an illusion. The bigger point is all perceptions are modifications of consciousness and therefore, in a sense, illusions. Of course, we are embedded in them, so we are part of the illusion. And why am I sharing this with you? Because your true self is timeless. And if we understand the dynamics of non-local awareness, which is not a personal awareness, non-local means beyond space and time. And if we understand that awareness as the divine being at the heart of creation, then in that divine being's awareness, past, present, and future are all theoretical concepts. There is only timeless now that modifies itself as past, present, and future. And that timeless now is the eternal, timeless you. You are the creator of past, present, and future. How do we experience that? Only through transcendence. Only through transcendence. Transcendence of thought, because it's thought which creates the notion of time. The movement of thought is the movement of time as well.